Happy Thursday, everyone. This is Julie HR, and today I'm going to be bringing you one of my newest templates entitled the HR Daily Planner. I'm currently on my Etsy page, and we're going to take a look at the listing. So here is the HR Daily Planner. It has a number of sections, and there are lots of features to include being able to change the time and the hour, and it reflects under the daily schedule. It's a time-saving layout. It's very customizable and interactive. You could edit it in Google Docs and also Excel. Please note there are also drop-down lists, and what I will also be doing is showing you how to delete the drop-down list, because many times HR professionals don't always want the drop-down list. So I'll show you how to do that on the actual Excel document. But you'll note that there are drop-down lists within 4 sections. And there you have it. Also note within the Etsy template, there is also a instructions tab, which you're able to go to, that helps you go step by step through the daily planner. Also, don't forget to look at my bundles. Let's take the time to go and actually look at the Excel sheet now. Okay, so here we have the Excel Daily Planner, and as mentioned within the listing, which you just saw, I'm going to move this over here really quick. You can change the times to reflect, I'll put 7 a.m. And as you see, the formula updates that. As we move down, here we have the daily schedule, today's HR goals and priorities, and you can click within the checkbox as you complete those throughout your day. And as mentioned earlier, we talked about the drop-down boxes. In progress, not started. Now, where are those drop downs coming from? They're coming from this particular drop downs tab. You'll see that right there. So know that you could change those if you wanted to. All right. However, we'll also show you how to delete the drop downs. But let's just keep on looking at the rest of the template. There's an HR compliance section where you write down your items. Benefits and compensation, employee engagement, ongoing HR projects, talent acquisition, training and development. Also to include HR metrics, ones that you would like to use and track on your own. There's also a follow-up section. Of course, there's also action items for tomorrow. And as mentioned, here is the instructions. Very simple right there. What I'm going to show you is how to go about getting rid of these right here. You're going to highlight the cells. You're going to go to data. You're going to go to data validation, and you're going to go to clear all, and then you're going to hit OK. And therefore, clear out the color. There you go. Simple, easy breezy. Just do it one more time. Highlight the sections that do have the drop downs within that section. Data, data validation, clear all, okay, and then you can just delete those out. So I wanted to show you that. So thank you so much for watching my newest template listing. And be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notifications, as every Monday I release my very new HR Education Edge weekly update. You don't want to miss this. I go over weekly HR news, trends, and HR compliance. It's a must-see. Thank you so much.